This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, once again welcome back to the channel. This is Will. I'm coming with a new update about Jonny Blockchain. I have two very important topics to discuss in this video. The first one, we're going to talk about the results we got after the first 24 hours using the Binance integration. And number two, I'm going to talk to you about the losses. Yes, you heard me right. But can we really lose money using Jonny Blockchain? Well, not exactly. And that's what I'm going to show you during this video. So please make sure you stay here until the end. What I'm going to share is absolutely crucial for your journey inside this platform. If this is the first time you come across this opportunity, this is the first crypto bot that performs in PancakeSwap. They have a super smart automation that is going to trade on our behalf. We're going to have full control of our capital 24/7. This is the best part of this opportunity. We have two options to do this. We can do it with our MetaMask wallet or with our Binance account. Our crypto is always in our hands. We can take it at any time. We only need to pay a license, and that license is going to run for 1 year. It's super affordable. We can run as many bots as we want. They are giving us a list of the most profitable coins right now in the market. On top of this, we have transparency. The team has been working in this type of systems for the last 9 years. We can see real faces. We know who is the CEO. Also, the support is always on top of the game. They have a community, an open Telegram group. They have videos to guide us in every single step of the way. It sounds like too good to be true, right? But it is. It is like that. I've been inside this platform since November. Well, actually, I've been running my testing phase for almost 1 month now. And if we talk about the results, the returns, well, I'm going to show you that right now. But before we go there, and if this is your first time here, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. I will appreciate your likes and your comments. That interaction is really going to help this channel to put this information out there. And probably we can help someone else to find this video as well. I have a full review where I'm going in depth about all the aspects of this opportunity. That's the easiest guide that you can find. I'm going to put it right here in the top corner. And if you need help along the way, don't worry, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. So, right here you can see the bots that I've been running. The ones in blue, those ones are trading in PancakeSwap. I've been covering those results in my previous videos. The lowest return I got right here was 9%, and the highest using the PancakeSwap automation is this coin bean with a 43% in returns. But yesterday I got started with the Binance automation. To run this automation with Binance, you need to connect your API. That might sound a little bit technical, but if you want to use your Binance account, I have a very easy guide. I'm going to put that video right here in the top corner. I'm explaining all you need to do in order to run this automation. And why not? Probably you can get the same type of results that I got only after 24 hours. Let me show you. I'm really excited about this one because I got started with MetaMask. That was doing fantastic. Then I heard the community talking about the Binance results. I decided to give it a try. I took some of the coins that I have in my watch list, and I got right here the results. This is Santos. I have 104 allocated for this bot, and in only 24 hours, I got a return of 44%. A number of users were mentioning this one inside the Telegram group. I wanted to give it a try, and look at that. Now I'm planning to increase this bot. I have another one right here. This is On this one I put $156. I mean 156 USDT. The same, after 24 hours, we got a return of 11%. We don't need to make conversions here. The whole system is going to do that automatically. It's going to buy the token. It's going to trade with that token. It's going to generate profits. And on the way back, it's going to exchange again into USDT. And we're going to receive the profits in USDT. Super, super simple. But this one, guys, I got a 59% after 24 hours. This is one of the coins that I have in my watch list. By the way, I'm also going to put my watch list in the description of this video, so you can see the coins that I'm testing. And these ones that are in white, those ones are running in Binance. But here is the part where we're going to talk about the losses. Yes, look at this one. It says minus 8%. So apparently we have a loss there. If we click right here in this icon, it's going to show us the list of actions. Look, it got started yesterday. Right here we can see 17.8 and right here 17.19. So we have 10 cents profit. That's what we got there. If we want to see the transaction in the blockchain, we can do that by clicking in this button. Then it was buying, selling. But right here, apparently we got a loss, minus 3.34. And if I scroll up again, right here where it says errors, there we got the report. It says negative profit. Let me go back. So I reached out to the team because I want to know the real reason. As I mentioned already, the support is top-notch. They are always ready to help us with any questions. The CEO made a short video just to explain how this works. Let me show you that video real quick. He's doing a phenomenal job explaining all of this.
We've had a support ticket in from a user that says his bot made a loss. This is a bot that's trading on Binance.com. So let's dig into it a little bit further to see if it's really made a loss. So this is the trade that we're going to look at. And you can see here, it's showing that it's made a loss. And if we hover our mouse over that, we see that the user hasn't sold the lots themselves. The bot has actually done it. And it's showing that it's made a loss of 3 cents. But is that true? So if we look here on the 23rd of January at 9:30 in the morning, lot 2 was purchased and 5.94 USTD was used to buy 8.4 Matic. Then on January the 23rd at 9:38, so 8 minutes later, sold that 8.3 for 592. And over here, it spent 594 to buy 8.4. So let's break this down. So we've just seen that the bot bought 8.4 Matic for 594 USTD. So that's a cost per Matic token of just over 0.7 USTD. We then see that the bot sold 8.3 Matic for 592 USTD, giving us a cost per Matic of 0.71, which you can already see 0.71 here is higher than this number here. So that is an ROI of 0.86% on each Matic sold. The bot did not sell all the 8.4. It only sold 8.3. So in this instance, there was no software service fee because the bot did not sell all the Matic. Now, we're aware of this and Binance are aware of this. Binance are aware that sometimes when you place an order in their order book, all of the order may not be filled. Now, Binance are aware of this problem and have even given a tool, and they call that tool Convert Small Balances to BNB. Now, Jonny Blockchain is also aware of that problem. Now, we've implemented a fix that we're in the process of testing. So what will happen when we upload the new code, which we will be uploading it hopefully by the weekend, the next time that your robot goes to sell, it will add the 0.1 Matic, in this case, that was not sold from the lot before, to the next sell order, meaning that you will pick up the profit on the next sell order. So this is a big bonus for you because you're not charged for this profit that you made here.
So in my case, my bot was expecting to receive a 0.3, but if we go through the calculations, I already make a profit. So this is a bug that they are going to fix by the end of this week. So there are no losses. Again, this automation is super smart. The developers are always working on how to fix all these type of bugs, make it more user-friendly, and it's already super easy to use. If you want to see how to start your automation, remember right here in the top corner, I have the video. All we need to do is decide how much we want to allocate for each bot. The rest, Jonny Blockchain is going to do it by itself. There was a nice tip that Jeremy, the CEO, was mentioning in his video about the Binance integration. And probably that's the only step that I was missing in my detailed guide. When we are using the automation with Binance, we need to pay gas fees. Those ones are going to be charged on BNB. Now, there is an option that is going to help us to reduce the cost of our gas fees. How to get that discount? Easy. When you are inside your Binance, right here in dashboard, you're going to scroll down all the way. Here where it says support, you're going to find something called fees. We're going to click right there. It's going to take you to this page. And because we are trading on a spot using Binance, they are giving us this option to get a 25% discount by using BNB to pay fees. All we need to do to activate it is click right here. If in the past you were using Binance to do trading, probably you have this option already enabled. But just to make sure, just go there. This is all we need to do. That's all that I have for you in this video. I'm super excited with this project. Definitely is going to be one of my favorites, or my favorite project this year. We are having excellent results, and the best of all, no more rug pulls. No more sending our crypto to some random person online. Ladies and gents, right here we have a game changer. If you have any questions, remember you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video. Before we go, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel so I can show you my progress and my earnings inside Jonny Blockchain. Thank you so much for your company. I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Have a great day.